Good morning, friends. It's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm here working on my December daily. So I'm on December 8th, super excited. So if you saw yesterday, December 7th, we added this big envelope here to this little page so I have some more room, because I was telling you yesterday on December 7th that a lot of stuff happened and I needed more room. So there we go. I've added an envelope that I received in my tag swap, and came in perfect. It was green, so it's, you know, Christmassy. And I added for December 8th already this little piece that I showed you in yesterday's video where I was experimenting with the glitter glue from Dollar Tree to see if it's anything like stickles, which I've never used stickles, so I don't know what stickles are like. But anyway, I think it came out pretty, so I don't know. We'll see what happens with that. But then I started cutting out the numbers. I had done the numbers, what was it, 7 there, so we're on 8. So I went ahead and cut out 9, 10, 11. Well, these are still together, but I got them ready a little bit. 9 to 11, 12, that's a 2 and a 3. That's not 12, 13. Oh, here's 12, 13. That was extra. And here's 8 for today. So this is going to go somewhere on here. And my I've got my date ready to go. Let's see, did I put the whole date over there? Yeah. So I've got the 20 on here. Let me go ahead and put that down first. That's different, right? Usually I do the other piece first, the 12-8. So I think I'm going to put it, you know what? I usually put it on last, but I think I'm just going to put it right down here. See if I can get it right here. I'll go ahead and put the 20 on since I have this on my little thingy bob here. And then I'll get my 12-6, so I need the 2. I'm done with the 0 for today. Let me see if I can find my 1 here. Okay, here's my 1. And my, let's see, 12, it's going to be 12, 8. So here's my 8. And I don't want to lose my pieces, so let me go ahead and put my 1 on here. Do I have it right? What? Oh, that's a 7. I was going to say I have my 1 on there. Okay, there we go. I don't want to lose. Those are so small. I know, you know, they could be easily lost. So even if you're, I mean, have you ever lost anything right on your craft table? I have. So if you drop it on the floor, you never know. A little piece like this, you might never find it. It might get vacuumed up. Okay, so I'm just trying to make this straight. 12-8. I just really like to look at the rubber stamps better than just writing it. I mean, I think last year I just wrote it, and I did it on 1 or 2 pages in here already. I just wrote it, but then I started doing this. I just really, even if they're a little crooked, it makes it look so charming. Like, even if they're, maybe you want to make them crooked on purpose. See how the 8's a little off? It just looks so cute. So, let's see, 12. And one day we're going to use this. Maybe tomorrow I'll remember. I said that the other day, and I haven't used it yet. Maybe I will just use it right now, and I'll remember. So this is 12-8. This is my number. So what's going to be 12-9 is going to be this page with this envelope. So maybe I'll go ahead and put this little label right now when I'm thinking about it, so I don't forget to use it for tomorrow. And we're going to try to put the date inside of this for tomorrow. So let's see how that stamps. I've never used it before. And I explained that this was kind of a new thing that I have had for a while. And like when I had a subscription, they sent you a lot of rubber stamps like every month, or just about every month for a year. So I was like, when I was getting them, I was like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do with all these rubber stamps? It's so many. You know what I mean? When you get a subscription, sometimes you just get a lot of stuff that you don't use right away. Okay, so I'm going to put that little, kind of like a label, it looks like, right there. That's what it looks like stamped. Let me see, can you see that? It's right here. I'll hold it. I think you can probably see it. It's right here. Okay, so we're done with that for the moment. So let me put that back on there, and we'll put this away, out of our way here. And what happened on December 8th? Not too much, really. I went to work. It's one of those days. I went to work and came home, and cleaned up my craft room and cut some stuff out. That was about it. So, yeah, I don't really have a lot of room left here. I already put this here, and I've got this to put down, the actual 8. And so maybe I'll just look through. I did want to tell you that one of my subbies, the movie, Christmas movie that she suggested, which I have written down here. I think I'm going to start another list of, I'll have 3 lists going. I have favorite Christmas music, like songs, and favorite movies, and I'll start another list of Christmas movies to watch. You know what I mean? So I'm going to put this right here. And so the Christmas movie to watch is Crazy for Christmas. I'm going to look that up. I just haven't had time to watch a movie since she told me about it. So I need some, an hour. Probably most movies are at least an hour and a half, right? So I need about an hour and a half of time to, you could use these for something. I peel these off the back. If you guys know any way to use the paper that you peel off the back of photo paper, I'll save these just for the time being, and I won't throw them away yet. If you have an idea of how to use them, let me know. I guess you could coffee dye the one side and glue down the other side, or something, but sometimes if you don't know how to use something or what to do with it, you throw it away if it's something like, that you're supposed to throw away. But, I know there's lots of ways to use your junk and your trash and recycle and repurpose it. So I would love an idea on that. Okay, so what are we going to glue down here? I was just looking through my bits and pieces here. I was like, oh my goodness, I have to use these. Here's my 2 lists. And so yesterday at work, I was looking at my my YouTube video where I wanted to remember the name of the movie my subby told me about. So I wrote it down on this message pad so I could bring it home and remember to watch it and write it down. So let's see. I'm pulling out bits and pieces here. I've got some of these to use, these little pieces. And, I've got some of these. Let's see, we've got red sparkle here. So let me see what goes with that. I need to use this little Bambi piece here, little book page somewhere. I would like to use that. Go ahead and glue that down. Here's another piece of note paper that I can make a list of movies to watch. Let's see. Will I need that much room? Maybe I'll just write it on here. A little bit smaller piece of paper, then I can put that in somewhere. So these are the 2 lists I'm working on that I haven't put in yet. I'm going to put these in somewhere later. This is the one I want to write down. Crazy for Christmas, and I'll write right here on the top of this paper. Movies to watch. Let me write here where you guys can see what's going on. Movies to watch. I'm going to write it nice and neat if I can. Movies to watch. And make a little squiggly and Crazy for Christmas. Okay, if you guys have any other suggestions for movies, Christmas movies to watch. Crazy for Christmas. I usually watch channels I normally watch are Netflix, YouTube. And YouTube has free videos. That's what I was talking about the other day. Crazy for Christmas. And what else? I have Spectrum, but I don't watch that. That's our cable TV. I don't really watch it, though. I never turn it on anymore. My husband, I told him to, I said we should cancel, the TV part of but he wants it for sports and stuff, so we're not canceling it as of today, as of now. Okay, I'm going to tear out this little deer and use this piece. Yeah, okay, so what other channels do I watch? Netflix and YouTube. I think that might be it. I really think that might be it. Oh, we have CBS All Access. And I think we have an NBC type channel like that you can just, stream. But Let me see where I can put this. Maybe right here. I hate to tear off any more of it, but I want to put it somewhere it fits. So right here, I'm going to tear off this piece and we'll use this somewhere else. I think this will look cute right there. Little deer, Bambi. I guess that's Bambi eating from a tree, or it might be Bambi. Is that Bambi's mom or Bambi? I think it's Bambi. So I'm going to glue this down. But yeah, those are the channels I watch, and it's not like I can't upload another channel or whatever on my TV. So if you have a suggestion, go ahead and tell me what channel it's on to, what channel you watched it on or watch it on, so I can look for that channel if I don't have it. Because you know, you can add the channels to your TVs these days, the newer TVs that where the channels are like kind of like, I guess they're kind of like apps, right? And you just upload a new app and you can stream from that app or whatever it's called. I'm not sure. Anyway, there's my little deer. Let me see what else I need to put in here. I haven't used anything from my Jack and Jill magazine yet. I would like to put something right here. See, this is going to fold over like, let's see, like this. Yeah, kind of like that. I see my picture's in the way. Okay. Well, I'll have to fold my picture. It's okay. I should have thought of that, but it's all right if it's, oh, it's coming up now. Okay. I got carried away, didn't I? But I just push it back down there. And yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's like that. So I have to remember that here. Don't, unless it's thin, you can put something thin that can fold here, or two pieces. So let me look at my Jack and Jill magazine really quick and see if there's something I can use out of here. This is so cute. I showed it to you the other day, and I said I wanted to save most of this maybe for a journal, you know, a journal that's not mine, you know, one that I'm going to put in my Etsy. But there were a couple pieces that I would be willing to use. So let me look for something that's kind of long and narrow that I can use in my journal. Let's see. These are bigger, but I could take one of these pages here. Let me see. That would be a good idea. Oh, this one has some beautiful stuff on the back. See, then you have to choose a side too. This is really big, but these are smaller. This is big. These are, okay, this is something else. Let's see, anything here. This is baby Jesus in the manger. That would be cute. It's got the shepherds and Mary and Joseph all in that one picture. But I love this picture of the angel right here. Isn't that pretty? Trying to see if that could go there. Angel with the shepherds. Would that fit there? Kind of. I'd have to go over my sparkle though. Okay. Maybe that might be another day because I really love that. Okay. There's a snowman. It's on the other side. Let's see. There was some other pages I said I would allow myself to use in my own journal. Like, I'm not allowed to use certain pages, right? I'm not letting myself use certain pages. The north wind. Like these. These are beautiful. I would use those in someone else's journal, not my own. Kind of crazy, but that's the way we think. I think, you know, I don't think I'm the only one that thinks that way. Okay, here's some cute pages. Not necessarily Christmassy, but they are in this Christmas edition of this magazine. Oh, this is harder than I thought it would be. Here's some black and white little Christmas images that are, oh, they're not necessarily Christmas. They're little poems or nursery rhymes with pictures next to them. Mother Goose. Oh, look at this. This is really beautiful. Too big for me, but okay. Oh, here's some more little wintry type things. This would go, but it has a big, beautiful picture on the other side. that wouldn't go. It's too big. This might go right here. This little boy, he's sitting on a bus seat with his gingerbread man. I'm not sure what the story is, but I think that would fit. And I have 2 boys, so that might be something special to put in here. It's a little boy. When you have sons, you know, little boys are special to you. So I think I'm going to, I would almost tear him out, but I think I'm going to cut him out. I like the other side too, though. Look at those Christmas trees. But yeah, that little boy's going to fit perfectly right here. Let me cut. I already looked these up. They're not worth a whole heck of a lot, so you know, cutting them up is not a horrible thing. Tearing them up. So this is, I want to see that, you know, he's on a bus. And let's just kind of make this a little torn edge here. I think that'll be nice on this page. And I can put a little note about where it came from, you know what I mean? So when I look back on it years from now, I can remember, oh yeah, I got that from that cute little magazine. See, isn't that cute? Okay, it is what it is. Yeah, if it's worth something, I sell it in my Etsy. I don't tear it up. So I always look up the value of things before. I know you other people, you've probably heard me say it, and you probably have heard other people say that, and it's very true. You know, I wouldn't tear up anything valuable for sure. Okay. So then he folds nicely there. And I'll put a little blurb up here about where I got it, or down here. So we have everything that we need here. We have the date. We have everything kind of decorated. Like I said, nothing really happened, you know, exciting yesterday. So, you know, a normal day once in a while is, or every day. Really what we want is normal days every day, right? Let's see, anything else? If I think of anything else, I will show it to you later. If I put anything else down here, that's how it is when we're working on things like this. You find something and you say, oh, I'm going to go back and put that on day number 7 or day number 8. You know what I mean? So tomorrow will be the 9th. And so I will see you all then. Thanks for watching and happy crafting. See you later.